What's up, YouTube? So we're gonna go for a little bit of ride in the black car. It's literally like 65 degrees right now. There's not really much on the street, and I just want to take a chill ride. Maybe go give the old Mustang a bath. So stick around. We're gonna take a little ride with it. Have some fun. It's been a while. Some fuel in. I can hear it sloshing for sure. Gotta put fuel in. Alright, here we go. 7 minutes later. Car's definitely up to temperature, so we're just gonna, guys, this is just a chill ride. I wasn't even gonna talk, but just having some fun on the street. Gonna go get the car washed. I gotta hit a Walmart, do a couple errands. Really kind of glad that I had 20 gallons of E85 left over from last year. We were obviously a little bit low, so woo. So let's talk about the turbo situation in this black car. Long story short, we went 970 at 143 or something last year. First TKX into the nines. And you know, what's the plans for it this year? Well, I was gonna surprise y'all more with the details of the car, but what we're probably gonna end up doing next week, since we got Pop's car's turbo situation pretty much on point, is we're gonna start taking the black car apart and we're gonna get it painted. I'd like to have it painted before Chocolate Fox, but that may not happen. I don't know yet. So he said that if I get all the car parts done, now you could say, well, Dan, why don't you just, why don't you just paint it yourself? You know, I've been painting cars for years. You know, I have been saving up money to paint this car for a long time, and just want to take advantage of that for once. You know what I'm saying? So I got a really good deal. He's going to paint my whole car and do all the imperfections, and then he's going to paint a whole half of another car, which is future content to let you guys know what's up. You know what I mean? You guys will see what's coming. Hell yeah. But as far as like the car itself, I'm not really going to mess with this car. I'm going to do some things to it to make it better. But you know, the plans for the Mustang are to make more horsepower, and there's an easy way to do it. My turbo's just sweet. Listen, this 363 is capable of making 1,000 horsepower, and it's my street car. I don't even need half of that on the street. You know what I mean? But the point of the matter is, so what we plan on doing is this turbo is pretty choked up. It's got a 96 small turbo housing. If you guys look up back pressure, you'll see what the problem is with my motor. Just looking at the back pressure video that's out there on YouTube. My exhaust housing is it's backing up into my pipes, making them glow red. I got a lot of back pressure going on with my motor. So one way to alleviate that is go to a bigger exhaust housing. Now Precision has an exhaust housing for this turbo prototype. It's supposed to be released mid-spring, early summer. So that's what we're doing this year with this car. I think we're going to put a pressure switch in the back of the, in the back of the turbo. See how much pressure, because we only make 13 pounds of boost, make just under 700 wheel, but we're backed up pretty good. So if I had to say 13 pounds in the front of the turbo, it's probably every bit of 30, 35 pounds back pressure or more in the back of the turbo. So I can alleviate some of that by putting a bigger exhaust housing on. You know what I'm saying? So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put a larger exhaust housing on. So that's what we're gonna do with the black car. We got an exhaust header to fix. My exhaust video, something happened with my header. We're gonna put a bigger exhaust housing on. We're gonna go binary header A9L. We're gonna make, we're shooting for 750 wheel. I think that's being modest. But the main thing is we're gonna put a pressure switch in the back of the turbo and figure out which housing is gonna help me get rid of all that back pressure. I already got a really big wastegate, so I'm not worried about it. So let me pop in here to Walmart, and then we'll head over and get the car washed, and I'll take you for another hit. I get mean mugged by everybody at Walmart. They're all like, I drive a Camaro. Look, okay, you see the guys right here mean mugging out of me? They're just chilling, hanging on the side of their Chevy Blazer or Jeep or whatever. Can't go nowhere in a Foxbody, bro. I did get a couple thumbs up though. Everybody looks. And my car's pretty, it sounds good for a turbo car, but it's pretty, it's pretty quiet, you know what I mean? So, just had somebody take a picture behind. They're probably trying to steal my car. Or stupid. Is this why we have Foxbody, so everybody pays attention? It's ridiculous. Now I gotta park over here in Timbuktu, right? I ain't parking anywhere near it, but my car's already got enough things in the damn thing. And there's looks like somebody broke open a couple bags of Morton salt over here. Jeez, oh Pete. Oh my goodness. Alright, I'll be back. That sucks always going in there. Right? Always sucks going in the Walmart. That's what happens with a spool. It's not exactly easy to yeah, this is just a chill ride, Just having a little fun, take it to the store, go wash the car, go put it back together. Take advantage of this little like half summer, early spring day. that police guy up here with his lights on, man. And then, you know, y'all thought that sheriff was coming for me, huh? Something happened over here. All right, guys, that's all I pretty much got for you today. Got it cleaned up a little bit. Just give it a little bit of a bath, you know. Took you grocery shopping, took you to the car wash. No big deal. So, if you guys enjoyed these little chill videos where we can sit there and talk, hit that like and subscribe below. And guys, you enjoy the channel, make sure you check that merch shop and that join button below. Outside of that, appreciate you watching. See you soon.